work on more of our Cuddle Bug book, of course. Let's jump right in and get started. The bookworms are busy reading. Can you find the differences between these pictures? And our caterpillar friend says there are 5 differences. Let's get right started and look at this caterpillar. Look, one is wearing glasses and one is not. And one has a yellow book and one has a pink book. Great job! We already found 2 differences, so we have 3 left. Let's keep searching. I think that caterpillar's the same. What else? Oh, that's right. We have 2 different crayon colors. Great job. Now we have 2 things left to find. Oh, look. One of the book piles has a ladybug and the other doesn't. Let's see what else. Oh, I think I found it. Did you? Our books are 2 different colors. One is blue and one is purple. So we found all 5 differences. Yay! Great job! On to the next page. There are so many yummy berries to eat in this field. We're going to use stickers to finish the scene. And it says that we should finish coloring all of the berries. So let's get started. Let's use some different color greens to fill in the tops of the berries. Those parts are the leaves. Now we can use a few different colors of pinks and reds to fill in our berries. They sure are looking yummy, aren't they? Have you ever picked fresh berries to eat? They're so sweet and yummy. Or maybe you grow your own berries at home with your family. That's fun. Now we've finished coloring our berries, so let's add in our stickers. Of course, you can always guess as we go. What's this first one going to be? Oh, it's a strawberry, another berry. What about our second sticker? I think we've seen this before. Yeah, it's the cute little caterpillar. And who told us to finish coloring the berries? Oh, that's right. It's the little snail. And how about this other sticker? It's our little bee friend. Oh no, I forgot a berry. I better get this one colored in. That's better. Let's go to the next page. The baby bugs are looking for their parents. We're going to draw lines to match the parents with their baby. First, do you see the ladybug? Yep, there it is. And our firefly. And the snail. The spider. And the little bee. Great job. Now, Mommy Spider has spun a beautiful web, and we're going to find her babies in the stickers and add them to the scene. Let's go. I wonder how many we're going to find. We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 1, 2, 3 little spiders. Great job counting, and thanks for helping. Now we're going to do a craft. Let's get started. Ooh, these are little characters that we can punch out of the cards and play with. Let's go. They're so cute. We've got a butterfly, the firefly, our little caterpillar, our little bee, and, of course, the little ladybug. As always, I had so much fun with you today, and thank you so much for all your help. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!